In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code blocks in Notion. Code blocks are the best way to display programming snippets in Notion with clean formatting and automatic syntax highlighting. They preserve indentation, prevent unwanted styling, and make your code easier to read and share with teammates. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can add your first code block with confidence. First, open the page where you want the code to appear. This can be any page in your workspace, such as a documentation page, a project note, or a personal learning journal. Make sure the page is loaded and you can see the main content area. Next, click inside the page content area to place your cursor. You want to be exactly where the code block should go, whether that's in between paragraphs, under a heading, or at the bottom of the page. This ensures the block is inserted in the right spot without messing up your existing layout. Now type the / command, /code. As soon as you do, Notion will open its quick menu with a list of blocks. This menu speeds up your workflow by letting you insert specific blocks without leaving the keyboard. Typing code filters the list so the code block option appears right away. Select the code block from the menu. Once you choose it, Notion will insert a dedicated code container into your page. You'll see a distinct block with a monospaced font and a toolbar that's specific to code formatting. This is where all your code will live. Paste or type your code inside the block. You can bring in snippets from your editor, documentation, or earlier notes. Notion preserves white space and indentation, so your code's structure remains intact. If your snippet is long, don't worry. You can keep everything together in a single block and scroll through it as needed. Finally, choose the programming language from the drop-down menu at the top of the code block to enable syntax highlighting. Pick the language that matches your snippet, such as JavaScript, Python, HTML, or another option from the list. Syntax highlighting applies color and styling to keywords, strings, and symbols, making the code much easier to scan and debug. If you're not sure which one to select, choose the closest match. You can always change it later. If your language isn't listed, plain text works well for unformatted snippets. That's it. You've created a clear, readable code block in Notion using the / menu, added your code, and set the right language for highlighting. This simple workflow keeps your technical notes organized, consistent, and easy to maintain.